Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the newly imagined 2025 Citroën 2CV. That's right, the legendary Deux Chevaux is reportedly coming back in a modern form. We'll talk about the exterior, the interior, performance, and pricing, and whether it's worth your attention. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 2CV carries that unmistakable retro charm. Soft curves, round headlights, and pastel-toned bodywork that nods to the original classic. According to one design preview, you'll see cheerful solid color palettes like mint, sand or sunny yellow, paired with contrasting roof panels. The roof bars, accessory packs and period-inspired touches add to the nostalgia. What impresses here is how the designers seem to strike a balance between classic aesthetic and modern execution. The car feels fun and charming rather than just a pastiche. Moving on into the interior. The cabin of the 2025 2CV is described as premium comfort in a compact footprint. The front seats are wide and cushy, the rear bench gets thoughtful lumbar shaping. Materials lean toward warmth and durability, woven fabrics, textured dash inserts, rubberized floor mats capable of handling beach sand. Storage is clever. A wide open shelf runs across the dash. The center console has a modular cup system that slides, allowing for tall bottles or small espresso cups. Tech-wise, a 10-inch central display supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a crisp digital instrument pod, 2 USB-C ports front and rear, and an optional panoramic roof panel that brightens the cabin. All of that gives the 2CV a surprisingly modern feel while keeping its identity intact. As far as performance and practicality go, the revived 2CV is not pitched as a high-performance sports machine but more as a smart, comfortable everyday car with character. The suspension is tuned to smooth out broken tarmac and speed bumps. You feel a soft initial stroke that absorbs the sharp hits, followed by better control on longer undulations. Steering is light at low speeds for ease in town, and adds weight on the highway so it doesn't feel too flighty. Practical touches include wide-opening rear doors, upright seating for good visibility, and a rear seat back that folds almost flat to expand cargo space. For city users this is a big plus. One caveat: the original 2CV had very modest performance, and while this modern version upgrades dramatically, it's still designed more for charm and usability than sport. Finally, pricing. Because the 2025 model is still in concept or early stage, official pricing hasn't been confirmed. But design analyses suggest that if produced to modern standards, the cost wouldn't be the Euro 8 to 10k of the original's equivalent but more likely €28,000 €35,000 region in Europe. That positions it above ultra-budget city cars, likely into a premium small car niche. So, while nostalgia and design appeal may draw you in, you'll be paying more than the simplest city car. For buyers in Pakistan or importing, you'll have to consider taxes, duties, shipping and local service support as well. So what's the verdict? If you're someone who loves character, design and a car that stands out in the city, the 2025 Citroën 2CV looks like a very interesting proposition. It combines retro flair with modern comfort and tech. On the other hand, if you're looking for high performance, or ultra-low cost, there may be better options. And with pricing likely higher than you might expect for a small car, it won't be for everyone.